All right, we're here at a tile roof, and I want to give you a demonstration of a tile roof repair. Many people call us due to leaks on their tile roof, and I just want you to see what normally is the problem. And I'm going to fix the problem, and it's right here in this valley. The leak is actually right a little bit below the chimney right here in the valley, and it's showing stain on the ceiling inside the house, and I want to show you what it is. As you can see, there is a few leaves right here, but that's not stopping the water. It's the dirt. Now I'm going to take this tile up to show you the debris underneath, damming the tile, damming and causing the water to come down, hits on the dirt and rolls over. I'll be right back. Okay, here we are in this valley section. I'm going to take up the tile so that you can see what I'm looking at. It is like a giant puzzle. Now when you start taking it up, you can see there's debris. You see the debris right here? And this keeps building up, and it makes a dam where water has to travel over, and then it runs over. So let's continue to look here at the different places. You kind of want to keep the pieces together. We will take this out as we go, and dig out underneath. Here I took up some more, and here's another dam. You see where the water, can you zoom in down here where the water, because you don't see when it's dirt that is dammed, where it can roll under. But let's dig this out of the debris. Okay, in further investigation, we took up a couple more, and we see, come on down, zoom on here. You see this? See this? Where it's debris, dammed up. I just dug out from underneath, and I decided to pull it up to see. But this debris, and the wood is right here. There was a hole in the felt, and that's where you had the leakage. It's all wet still. What we'll do is we'll fix this, and we'll be back to you. Bye-bye. Okay, we found the problem. We found the leak. It's an obvious leak. The felt is burned out. It's discolored. We're going to refelt this area, put the roof back together, and he will be watertight. Hope